I want to discuss something which is not funny, but which is very serious, which I think nobody's paying attention to. Every day at airports, this is happening, and we're just looking the other way. I don't know if you agree with me. Let me come closer so I can put pressure on you. There's a type of person who walks out of their car and enters the airport perfectly fine, walking on two legs, and then calls for a wheelchair. Have you noticed that? And then the lady is all the way on the wheelchair while I'm walking with 7 bags behind. And then they help her first onto the flight. Then she sits there looking very pained. The moment the wheelchair is gone and the flight starts, she gets up and opens everything, springing up and down, and does the washing powder Nirma ad. She's perfectly fine. This is a crime against humanity, and I think someone has to take action. Too many of our desis are walking around with wheelchairs when they're perfectly fit. Is there anybody here who's done that? Put your hand up, please. Sir, heart beach mein hai, please. That's very vulgar. I'm not comfortable. Just don't do that. Don't do that. It's not that kind of question. Sagrika, please sit down. We have a quality audience. Relax, relax. You're making me nervous. You're like my mother-in-law at the wedding. She just kept staring at me thinking, why? Yeah. But, Hanji sir, aap bole.
Only on the one on the wheelchair, the one who accompanies also has the advantage.
That's right. And they get pushed first in line and they're all perfectly fine. My God, she's angry. Ladies and gentlemen, security ko bulao. Oh, okay. All right. That's done. Sorry, sir. I touched you. It was out of love. 40% lust, 60% love. Yeah. Kam se kam shave karke aana dobara function ke liye. This lady is walking off. This is a typical Cyrus show. The females leave faster than you can say hello. All right. But thanks anyway. Sit in the cheaper seats. But she's taking a phone. There must be something funny on the internet. All right. The other thing I really want to talk about is this can all the males here put their hands up because I don't want to question gender and all. Males, you're not sure, sir? You did like this? I mean, make up your mind. Male, right? All male. Okay, that's fine. Public urinals in our country, and now we brought it to Dubai, a bad habit, which I don't understand. You see, in any public urinal, there are 7, 8, 10 cubicles, right? So if I'm alone urinating, sorry girls, but that's what we do. If I'm alone there, and there are 9 empty cubicles, why do you have to come and stand next to me? It puts too much pressure on us in any case. So this is a request. Anyone who's done that, please put your hand up now, confess and get it over with. No, don't lie. Indians can't be alone. We have to come and pee together. No, don't do that, yaar. There are 9 cubicles. Go somewhere else. Don't stand there. And then, of course, after that, let's take selfie and all that, I understand. Sir, you want to... Okay.
They call it Samuhik Mutran.
Okay. All right. Okay. And then one last thing I want to talk about here, and this is for the ladies as well. In our culture, we have a lot of hand-holding amongst men, which is fine. We have no judgment. You hold whatever you want, whenever you want, not a problem. But then those same men, after holding hands, go and do eve teasing in the evening with girls. So that's a very confusing thing. So if you're holding hands with men, why are you teasing the girls? Make up your mind. You're this side or that side. It confuses even the model police and people like us. All right? So let's just, all those here who do that, you guys were holding hands. You're holding hands right now. You have the exact same beards. Are you father and son? Huh? Did you meet at some symposium? Where did you come from? Which factory?
I come from India.
Come from India, and that's a factory for sure. All right, all right. Okay, folks, I won't waste your time anymore. As you can see, there's no respect anywhere. No one is even listening. Sagrika, I'm most upset. No. Yeah, can you believe it? Yeah, unbelievable the way we...
Always everywhere. So everyone listens to you. So it doesn't matter whether I'm there or not.
They're talking while we're complaining. All right. Okay, guys, don't worry. There's only one thing left to do. Apparently, Sanjay Leela Bhansali has made a film for TV9 and he wants to show us a preview of that. So let's take a look at this lovely movie. Well, this is it apparently. Okay, it's called News Caustic. It's a new show which apparently we'll be doing. I've just found out about it, so I'll tell you more in detail later. This is just a preview, and it's hopefully going to be like spoofs and roasts and things like that. Spinning news stories. A show similarly was done some time ago, but this is a rehash of that show. It'll be a little different as well. So please don't clap. Coming soon on TV9 is News Caustic. The title is given by Varunda himself, so please appreciate that, if nothing else. Varunda, are you here? He's not here at his own function. Who's going to pay the bills? All right, guys, thank you. There's lots more coming on. We'll go back to our regular anchors. The anchor doesn't know what's happening, no problem. We've got this lovely gentleman. Off you go.
Cyrus, thank you so much. I can't let you go. You've got to tell us about the show. Guys, this is a new show that Cyrus is doing on our channel, on News 9. He can't just say it's a Sanjay Leela Bansali film. It's a Cyrus Brocha film. We've got to hear at least a little bit from him on what this is about. Come on.
Well,
Let's do it for Cyrus.
If you've heard of this very famous leading philosopher Kunal Kamra, suddenly there's silence. Don't
That's Cyrus Brocha for you. Let's hear it for Cyrus Brocha.
Well, it's not going to be like that, I can tell you, because we don't have enough security at TV9, so we can't afford all that. It's going to be a vegetarian, almost Jane-like version at the moment of a show which looks at the news from different angles and perspectives. But we're going to be very kind to governments, we're going to be very kind to opposition, we're going to be very kind to international people. So at the moment, our show is going to be, we're targeting 4 to 7-year-olds. But we'll see how it goes from here. But that's it at the beginning.
So Cyrus, I need to ask you, it's News Caustic, it's a news channel. You're not unfamiliar with news channels. You've done shows for them earlier. Who's going to be at the receiving end of most of your sarcastic news caustic jokes?
No, but luckily we live in a country and a world where there's enough stuff going on. You don't even have to actually spin the news very often. You just have to show it the way it is. So not a big problem. Like apparently the other day in Uttar Pradesh, I don't know why it always happens in UP for some reason, there was a procession of 14 people with a dead body, and then as they put the body down, he got up and just walked off. This can only happen in India. So many questions. When did he exactly die? Why didn't anyone notice? Etc., etc., etc. So we'll try and look at all kinds of different stories. Some of them relevant, some a little irreverent, and we'll see where it goes from there. But as of now, we're looking for actors. The payments are, well, we'll give you conveyance and one batata vada. But we'll work on contracts and negotiations later. So if you know anyone who's willing to work for free, and especially the other gender, because I've got too many men working with us, and that's the capacity is done. So any females who would like to be on TV9 and launch their career and become the next Priyanka Chopra or Anusha Sharma, or whoever the big star is today, this is your opportunity. Girls, anyone?
Come
Neelam?
on, let's
You said no
actually
immediately.
get this multicultural initiative going. Let's have participation from India, from UAE, and build this beautiful property together. Well, of course, Cyrus said that anybody who wants to work
There will
for
be
free,
equity in-
welcome to the world
Tell them
of
the truth.
news television.
You know, tell them the truth, there will be equity given to you as well. TV9 will be owned by you people and 80% by females. This is your only chance. He's suddenly swallowing.
No stakes. But yeah, I think I'll come back to the fact that he said work for free. Well, welcome to the world of news media.
You're kidding around, but we did the other show on the other channel, which rhymes with PNN IV key. And we used a lot of people without paying them. So pull that off for 16 years and 8 months. So I like that philosophy. People come and go, you just put them in for a few minutes and off you go. Exploitation in a way, but yeah.
So I want the audience to weigh in. I think for the pilot episode, when Cyrus launches it on our channel, who should the first story feature? Should it be Donald Trump? Show of hands. Only 2 people?
Yeah, I can't do Donald Trump because my sister's married to an American, so that's too dangerous. I don't want her coming back. She has to stay in Pittsburgh. So Donald Trump, no way. Center, I cannot touch because I have family in Gujarat, so cannot go there. Opposition, I'm related to Rahul Gandhi because he's quarter Parsi, cannot go there. So we're going to start with this Ghatkopar swimming championships, and we're going to end with the dead body that woke up in UP. And maybe we'll go to the Kumbh next time, that's 10 years away. So let's see.
All right,
No?
a trip to the moon. Okay, sure. Let's start with that and then figure out where the show goes from here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Cyrus Brocha.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Sorry about that panel discussion. We started with the whole idea of, promoting self-awareness in this present international world, but it moved all over the place. But thankfully, I think you were on your phones, so it's all good. Okay.
All right, Cyrus, can't let you go. I'll request Sanjeev and Vikram to please come back on stage. We can't let Cyrus go without
But
a
where's
beautiful
Varun da?
hamper that we are giving him,
I'm
right?
very worried. The moment I came on, he's left.
They're back. And can we please have a gift hamper?
Thank you. A small token. Sounds like my Suhag Raat. No. Just a message to all the conferences across the world. You give us these big things and put us on a plane. It's very difficult to take it home. So can I pass it on graciously to somebody in the audience who lives here? Bolo kitna? Bolo. Indians, I tell you. Okay, I'll give you.
Thank you so much, Cyrus. Thanks,
Thank you,
Vikram.
guys.
Thank you, Sanjeev.